So a very quick reverb technique, because often reverb can make things sound muddy. Obviously you can put the reverb on a send on a bus, which can help, but an additional thing you can do is on the reverb send, open an EQ and take everything out below 600 and everything above 10k. This will help to enhance clarity with the reverb. And you can also try taking out more than 10k, but try practicing this and it will help less of a muddy reverb, but still very, very beneficial. And it's a common technique that was used in Abbey Road. Okay, so tonight, Radar Radio, myself and Macabre Unit are doing the first No Rules bass show. We've got loads of world exclusives to play, forthcoming Nomine sounds, some collaboration stuff across a variety of genres. So please spread the word. Hey!